and I'll state that again. So we're going to use a Kali, which will be on a NAT network. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to create a virtual machine, but we're not going to put a disk drive in it. We're not going to create a hard drive for it. Okay, so we're just going to go new, and I'm just going to call this Pentester 1. Alright, don't really care where it's going at the moment. It's going to be Linux. I really don't care what we put here under version. Alright, but I'll keep it how do you call it, consistent. So we'll go next. I'm just going to leave it at 1024. It's not going to be doing much, so it doesn't need a lot of RAM. I'm going to go next. At this point here, right, I'm going to say do not add. Right, do not add a virtual hard disk. Right, I'm not going to use it. So what we're actually doing, we're actually going to use our ISO that you're downloading. You're going to use that as a live CD or a live DVD. So we'll just go create. It'll give us a bit of a warning, and we just go yes, we want to do that. Now this means that we will not be able to install an operating system, which is okay, we don't want to. All right, I'm going to go to my network, and I'm going to change it to, I want it on the same NAT network as my Kali. I'm going to go OK. I'm going to go across to my optical drive up here. I'm going to choose a disk file, and I'm going to choose my Pentester 1 and open, and open. Thank you. And so we can see it here, down here, that we've got Web for Pentester done in there. So what I can do now is I can now do another new one. All right, I'm going to call it Pentester 2. The same, basically exactly the same settings. All right, do not add the virtual hard disk. Yep, all good, because I know I'm not going to do it, so I'm just going to hit continue. Go to network, go to NAT network and OK, and make sure that we're on the same network. Right, optical drive, choose a disk, and I'm going to use the Pentester 2 ISO that I've downloaded, and then go open, and there we have it. So now we've got all three. So I've got my Kali, and at the moment it's running, and I have my Pentester 1 and my Pentester 2 on the same network. Okay, so if you can now just get that done for me, and all will be good.